Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Clif Bars are portable, high-energy snacks suitable for people doing physical activity. However, their appealing flavors may lead people who are inactive to select them. Due to the high sugar and carbohydrate content of the bars, eating them without exercising may result in weight gain.
Make your mark, take our lead.
This chocolate chip bar contains 240 calories, which is roughly 12% of your recommended daily intake. Designed for athletes as a pre- or post-workout snack, they won't give you any advantage in your weight loss or endurance efforts.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Is it bad to eat a Clif Bar every day? Because Clif Bars contain a higher amount of carbs and sugar, they're not an ideal healthy snack for all circumstances. Sean recommends eating a Clif Bar before or during moderate to high-intensity activity when you need sustained energy.
Take our lead.
Best meal replacement. Clif Bars pros. Most energy bars are too skimpy on calories to replace a meal. One bar we tried offered a tasty 400-calorie package but was skimpy on protein. Another bar delivered on protein but was dry as chalk. So our strategy: pair this higher-calorie oatmeal cookie bar with real food.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Clif Bars are significantly higher in calories, they're much bigger, and added sugar than Kind Bars, Larabar, or RX bars. But that's because original Clif Bars are considered energy bars, developed for endurance athletes, not workaholics seeking a satisfying snack.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.